once again.
Forgotten Fox. I already started with the progress. Remove the carpet, the two panels that go on the sides. This floor pan is kind of rusted, so probably replace this floor pan. I couldn't take out these mats because they have this screw right there. Haven't seen much rust other than this floor pan right here. Probably next up I'll take out the dash. I'm still debating on to take it off or not. I already replaced the heater core, so the panels are gonna be off. Probably the quarter panel window, it's gonna come off. I want to take this car to the body shop and fully get it body worked. So there was a hurricane that came by last month, I guess, Hurricane Hannah, and it dented the roof. Has a dent right here, has a dent over there, and one in the rear quarter panel. So yeah, this is a Fox.